institutions, they build legacies that outlive them. Their vision becomes the foundation on which generations rise. A very good morning and namaskar. I am RJ Viraj.
And I am RJ Adhrit. Today we have come together to honor the visionary who led our SAI International Group of Education, our chairman, Dr. Bijaya Kumar Sahoo.
So here we begin the third year of the Founders Memorial Series, a heartfelt tribute to our founder chairman, sir.
His unwavering belief in the power of education continues to guide us, reminding us that his dream is now our responsibility to carry forward.
Good morning, everyone. I am Akshay from Class 3. Today I am going to say the thought of the day. Today's thought is, those who love children plant seeds of knowledge that bloom for generations. This means that when a person truly loves and cares for children, they give them the gift of learning and values. Just like a gardener plants seeds and watches them grow into strong trees, our late founder chairman sir planted the seeds of knowledge by starting this school. Today, thousands of children are learning, growing and shining because of his vision and love to education. His good work will continue to bloom in the lives of students for generations to come. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today, I am going to share a poem dedicated to our beloved chairman, sir. A brick of knowledge, a brick of care, a brick of kindness, a brick to share, a brick of honesty shining bright, a brick of discipline guiding right, a brick of courage to face our fears, a brick of wisdom gained through years,
A brick of strides, humble and true, a brick of dreams we strive to pursue.
every what we say. In every classroom, in every hall, our founder vision lives within us all. This school we love was built with a dream, a place where young minds freely gleam. He believed that learning is India's true might, that knowledge can chase away the night. His presence lives in every day, guiding our hearts along the way.
Each child's success, each honest try brings India's future closer to the sky.
Not in statues or walls he stays, but in our action, our thoughts, our way. We carry his dream, hands held high, to build a nation that touches the sky. So brick by brick we promise to stand, to build a strong India, with hearts and hands, with blessings.
The word of the day is simmer. Sentence. The love and vision of our great founder chairman sir continue to simmer in our school, guiding every child like a gentle light that never fades.
Today's fact is, Dr. Bijaya Kumar Sahoo is an educationalist and visionary leader. He is found SAI International School in April 2008 at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. His dream was to create a world-class school in Odisha that nurtures students with global exposure while staying rooted in Indian values.
This revered temple of education, SAI. His vision of creating an institute known for its one-of-a-kind blend of radical modern techniques and age-old Guru Shishya Parampara earned the name it deserved.
He nurtured every child personally and mentored them to be global citizens of the world.
Thank you so much, children, for an absolutely enjoyable assembly. So what did we learn about? Our founder, Dr. Bijaya Kumar Sahoo. Why is he a founder? Because he made the... How many? 3 schools, sure. What are they?